You're going to love the 2004 Toyota RAV4. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a rear window wiper, front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, and much more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.